It's impossible. I cannot do it. Never in 100 years. Well, Orange Blossom Special was one of those, how to play it. So you look at, say, Charlie McCoy playing it, and you look at Buddy Green playing it, and you think, totally impossible, it's not for me, I can't do it. And then you see Johnny Cash playing it, and you go, well, actually, if I slow it down, I guess I could play it and sing it, and I could play the chord part of it. I wanted to learn it, the student wanted to learn it, so we learnt it, and now it's your turn. All right, come on inside, have a look. Okay, I think it's time to crack on with the tune now. So grab your C harmonica, find hole 4, and let's play our first phrase. That's all it is, repeated, and a little tag on the end. 4 blow, 4 draw, 5 blow, 6 blow. Why don't you just play that with me now? That's it. That's the first phrase, pretty much. And you'll find that gradually it becomes possible to get some speed. So would you like to learn the Orange Blossom Special? I'm going to give it a shot at 230. It's quite fast, but we'll give it a go. Shall I do it with 2 harmonicas? Why not? Let's give it a go. Well, not too bad, actually.